What's up, everybody? Once again, welcome back. Let's see here. We left off on the last video. We just recorded drums, basically. We found our drum sound, and then I basically looped this melodic part over and over while I played drums over it by hand. And now I'm basically going to go in and listen to this entire drum section piece by piece and find all the little parts where it sounds messed up to me and get rid of it, and all the parts that sound good, I'm going to keep it, and then I'm going to basically copy and paste it into one segment, so all the garbage will be gone and all the perfect happy accident type of takes will all be there, and they'll all be combined into one perfect drum take. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the goal. It's going to be a little tedious to watch, so I will just put this in fast forward while we do that. So fixing all obvious issues means just that, anything that was off time, I slide it into time. Maybe I hit the wrong note there or something, so I'll just delete that note. Every time a section is completed, I make a notation off to the side, and I put that section that's completed next to that notation. This is so I don't get parts confused and mixed up with each other. Rinse and repeat just means I just do this over and over. I go through everything, fix a section, get that section completed to where I'm happy with it, make another little note, and then I take that piece that's done and I move it out of the way. Again, going through, fixing notes, things that are out of time, putting them in time, getting rid of mistakes. So yeah, the notes are to avoid confusion, and then on top of that, I also delete stuff that I've completed. I keep the fixed thing off to the left and then delete the other stuff. Hopefully this is making sense by now. Basically, the point of this is to take all of these leftover parts and combine them all together. So yeah, now I have all these drum parts, and to make sure that I don't put them in the wrong place, because each part is supposed to play over a specific piece of the music. So yeah, I put the music off over to the side, and then I move the drum parts around to where they're supposed to be, forming a completed section. Yet again, another step to avoid confusion is the color coding. So even here, I'm still finding things that I don't like and fixing them. Sometimes when I put two individual sections together into one, they don't exactly fit perfectly with each other. Like, it doesn't go seamlessly from one part to the next. So I'll have to go in and fix that as well. And I'm just doing this to just kind of clean everything up, make it nice and simple and obvious. So there we have 2 completed drum sections. It plays all the way over the entire piece of music we have there. They're both green, signifying that they're complete, but they're different shades of green because they're not exactly the same as one another. They're both actually individual. I know it's kind of a weird way to do things. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing for everyone. But yeah, that's oftentimes how I do things. Now, if you're an awesome finger drummer, then you wouldn't have to do this kind of thing. I'm only doing all this crazy shit because I'm not really very good at finger drumming. I just do my best, and then I gotta do what I gotta do to make sure that it sounds good after that.